Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to grow pennyworts or Gotu. So pennywort is known for its many health benefits, and some of the health benefits I found from Google. I'm just showing here that as you see from these Google results, pennywort can help our immune system from toxins, high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, and urinary tract infections are a few range of illnesses that can be treated with this remarkable herb. Because of its antibiotic properties, it has the capability to speed up the healing of wounds, and some of the other benefits you can find from the healthline.com that Koduhala has 10 benefits, and also there are some side effects you can see. So let's get started. So here I prepared the soil with the high nitrogen fertilizer, because pennywort is a nitrogen loving plant and it needs a lot of nitrogen to produce its leaves. So I got some pennywort roots from a friend. It's not actually some, it's quite a lot of pennywort roots, which you don't need that much, because if you plant 1 or 2 roots it will grow like a wild. And I have to mention that pennywort or Gotu is identified as weed in some states in Australia and maybe some in some other countries as well. So what I'm doing right now is separating the plants, because I'm going to plant some of them in a spacing, and they will fill the whole area in a matter of weeks or months. So I'm separating different plants. I'll speed up the process. Alright, so once the whole plant is separated, I'm going to start planting each of them in a spacing. In fact, for this kind of garden bed, you actually need 2 or 3 plants maximum, and they will fill the whole area very soon. So when planting, you need to make sure that you are planting the root of this plant, because they are spreading like a vine, and even if you plant the stem, they will make roots from the stem. And this pennywort is a very hardy plant. You don't need to do a lot of maintenance like other plants, and even if you don't care, it will just keep growing. One of the important thing with this plant is you need to keep harvesting continuously, otherwise they become some more dense, and then they start to get infection, and the leaves will die or becomes yellow. So you see here it has so many roots in the stem, and just make sure you are burying some of the roots. So I'm just speeding up the whole process of planting them, because I wanted to show you how I plant a few of them, and then they grow very quick to cover the whole area. So I actually planted probably 6 or 7, and the next step is to just water the plant. So pennywort loves a lot of water, and even it survives in a dry situation, but it doesn't hurt having much water for them. So after about a month, what you see here is a lot of pennywort leaves, which can be harvested and used in many cooking, or even you can just eat the pennywort leaves. Like I mentioned earlier, it has a lot of health benefits, and you can just eat the leaves without even cooking. But I prefer cooking them and eat with the main meal in lunch. So some interesting thing of pennywort I just wanted to show you here. You can see it is getting how it gets the leaves, the new growth or new leaves. you can see there are so many new growth is coming from the existing stem, which is how it spreads the whole area. And by harvesting the leaves, the matured leaves, you are allowing, or you are helping them to grow healthy and faster. So that's all I just wanted to show you. Thank you very much